Rongda Machinery successfully delivers for pellet production line in Inner Mongolia, receiving high praise from clients. Recently, Rongda Machinery successfully completed the installation and commissioning of a full pellet production line for a client in Inner Mongolia, which has now been put into production. This project not only showcases Rongda Machinery's technological leadership and solid capabilities in the feed processing industry but has also received high praise from the client. The turnkey project covers the entire feed production process, including raw material pre-processing, pelletizing, cooling, sieving, and packaging. It features Rongda Machinery's self-developed high-efficiency pellet mills and supporting equipment. The production line, once operational, achieves high automation with strong equipment, stability, uniform pellet formation, and significantly improved production efficiency, fully meeting the client's demands for high standards and performance. Leveraging years of technical expertise and innovation in the feed machinery sector, Rongda Machinery meticulously designed and implemented the project, ensuring smooth installation and commissioning. The production line not only significantly boosts the client's production capacity but also demonstrates unique advantages in energy saving, reducing equipment failure rates, and extending equipment lifespan. The client expressed great satisfaction with the equipment as operational stability and production benefits and highly praised Rongda Machinery as service team, calling them the most trusted partner. Rongda Machinery understands that technological innovation and high-quality service are key to winning the market. With the successful delivery of the Inner Mongolia project, Rongda has further solidified its leadership position in the domestic feed equipment industry and laid a solid foundation for future collaborations. The company is committed